This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a class notebook, so organization is automatic. This saves time when you scale. Choose the class notebook template through Onenote or the Teams tab, because that creates a content library and student sections. Once created, set up one content library for handouts, a collaboration space for group work, and individual student sections for private feedback. Make sure to invite students now by email or a shareable link, so permissions propagate correctly, and you can move to structuring. Now you build lesson pages within the student sections or content library so students access materials predictably. Start each page with objectives and a clear task flow because clarity reduces confusion. Embed PowerPoint, PDF, short audio clips, or recorded screencasts to support different learners, and insert a quick form or quiz for an exit check. Once done, use tags for important items, create page versions to track changes, and group pages into sections so you can pace a unit across class periods. Finish by reviewing student work directly in their sections. You can write with ink, record audio comments, or type feedback, and then assign grades externally if needed. After assessment, share or export pages for parent notes or archive completed units to keep the notebook responsive. If something goes wrong, like pages not syncing, first check OneDrive storage and network, then verify sharing permissions and update the OneNote app. If issues persist, sign out and back in to reset the sync connection for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.